I hadn't planned on releasing videos of unfinished projects, but I'm so excited about these two, I thought I'd give you a sneak preview. Check it out. Here we have a Ghetto Blaster that I found next to a bin. Together with my student Andy, I have gutted and replaced all the components and turned it into a Bluetooth speaker. I've also added an RGB LED matrix display that I programmed to respond to sound. Next up, we have a 3D printed model of Taipei 101 that I designed over the Chinese New Year holiday. With the help of my students at Washington High School, it is now fitted with 192 RGB LEDs and can be programmed to make some stunning patterns. Neither of these projects are completely finished, but will be soon. Check back within the next few weeks for more detailed videos on how they were conceptualized and actualized. Learn how at Armstrong Academy.